Hi, welcome back everyone. So today we are going to discuss the very important topic, that hypotenuse allowance, and it is very much important topic in the examination point of view. Get examination everywhere, a single question you can expect anyhow. Okay, let's watch. Question number 53. Here we are going to discuss three types of hypotenuse allowance problems actually. So in three different ways you can find the hypotenuse allowance. Three different ways they can ask. So that three types we are going to discuss today. Okay, so it is very much important question, and till from question 53 we are going to discuss today 53, 54 and 55. So those who haven't watched the session till question number 52, please go back and rewatch the video. In the description I have provided all the links. So please watch all the videos till the end. So hypotenuse allowance per chain length. Okay, so suppose this is one chain length, and so putting it as AC, it is 20. Okay, and there is a rise of 4 meter, it is given here. So this is 20. So if I am putting an arc over here, this much distance will also be 20. Okay, suppose this point be B. So our hypotenuse allowance will be what? Hypotenuse allowance will be 20 if this angle is theta. So there is an angle formed theta. 20 sec theta. So total distance you will get 20 sec theta minus this 20. Yeah, because this is this portion. This much portion is the hypotenuse allowance. Okay, so total of AB minus AC. Actually what it is? AB minus AC. Understood? So AB is what total? It is 20 sec theta and minus 20. That is what we are going to find it. So what is theta? How we will find theta? If we are considering the small triangle only, okay, where the height is 4 and this value is 20, this hypotenuse value is 20, this is theta. Okay, we are considering only the small triangle. We are considering the small triangle only, where height value is 4 and hypotenuse value is 20, and this is theta. So if I am taking sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so by calculator, theta means sine inverse 4 by 20. So if I am putting the value sine inverse 1 by 5, I will get the value of theta as 12.818 degree. Okay, so we can substitute back here. So hypotenuse allowance will be 20 sec 12.818 minus 20. So when you substitute it, you will get the answer 0.41 meter. So this is the hypotenuse allowance. So this is one type of problem. Another we are going to discuss next. So before problem, you just recollect what we have done actually. 20 sec theta minus 20. Okay, so that is 20 into sec theta minus 1 we have done. Okay, so for 20 meter chain, this is the equation actually for hypotenuse allowance. 20 sec theta minus 1 is the equation for when theta is known. Okay, so angle of slope is known, or either angle of slope, a clue is given to you. Suppose hypotenuse is given to you, at that time you can find the value of theta. Otherwise, they will directly give you like this 12 degree 30 seconds. So but this chain length is what? 30. So directly we can find this hypotenuse allowance is what? 30 into, same way we can write the equation sec theta minus 1. So 30 into sec theta is 12 degree 30 second. Either you can substitute 12 degree 30 second in calculator and you can find, or you can substitute See 12.5 also, that both will give same answer, and when in the calculator we will get the answer 0.728 meters. So this is an easy way of solving. So whenever in the first question also we don't want to do any more steps, but just how that equation came, that's why I have given the whole step. Okay, so 20 into sec theta minus 1, and here if it is 30 into sec theta minus 1. It is very easy actually. Next question is question number 55. Okay, so here what is given? Here measured length is already given 250 meter, and it is measured and a slope is given. Okay, so 1 in 4, 1 in 5. If in this type of question, how you can find the hypotenuse elements, we can discuss. Okay, so whenever a slope of 1 in 4, like that, 1 in 2, 1 in 4, like that, if any question come, every time you understand that the tan theta value is given, that is 1 by 4. So therefore what is theta value? It is tan inverse 1 by 4. By calculator you will get the answer as 14.0362. Okay, so in this case hypotenuse allowance will be, because already a measured length is given to you, so measured length into sec theta minus 1. So what is the measured length? 250. 250 into sec 14.0362. Oh, if you are taking 2 or 3 decimal also, it is fine. I have just taken the 4 value, no problem. But after decimal, it is good that if you are doing 3 or 4 decimal, that is the thing, is equal to 250 into, when you substitute the value in the calculator, you will get the answer as 7.694 meter. Okay, recheck sec 14.0362. When you do in calculator, you will get the answer 1.3077. Okay, so when you substitute it, you will get the answer 7.694 meter. So these are the problems of hypotenuse allowance. So I have just given as a concept, as an introduction, as an intro sums only I have given here. So more sums we will discuss in the further videos. So please click the bell icon nearby the subscription, so that you will get all the videos, upcoming videos. You can give suggestions in the comment box also. So I hope everybody liked the session. So if you have liked the session, please click, so we can meet tomorrow with a new topic and different number of MCQ questions which are very useful. So thank you everyone. Bye.